everybody! So I thought I'd jump on quickly because I have done something quite exciting lately. I've done a craft swap with the lovely, talented Sayra from Atomic Fibre Studio. So basically, I discovered her on Instagram when I was on a quest to find like-minded people who love bright colours, fluffy, foofy yarn and fibre. And yeah, just has a passion for it. And I come across Sayra's profile and I was like, oh yeah, that's a bit of me. So I started following her and then she followed me back and then just started chatting and she suggested a craft swap. And I was like, okay. So I made her a Free Spirit peak cap, a bohemian bandana cowl and some little ankle warmers. And in return, she has sent me 3 of her amazing art bats. Now I've not even opened them yet. I got them Saturday and I was like, oh, I can't open them until the kids have gone to school because there's no way I'm going to be able to record it. So this has been absolute torture. They have been on my desk since Saturday. Look at them all wrapped up individually, looking amazing. So shall we just tuck in and do it? Yes. Yes, I've waited long enough. What I've done with my remote. I'm always losing my remote all the time. Right, let's do it. Okay, so here we go. One of them started to come apart. Look, I was trying to get a picture. I was like, oh yeah, I need to get a picture before I open them. And then one started falling apart. So I've got a little bit of a sneak peek of some pinkiness. Ah! So I'm going to do this one first, I think. Put these ones to the side. And let's have a look at what's going on. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Have a little peek inside. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Shetland, Corriedale, Blue Face Leicester, Nylon, Sari Silk, Bamboo, Sparkle. Oh, I love it. Okay, that's one. That's absolutely beautiful. Right, 2 more to go. 2 more to go. The package lovely as well, aren't they? Oh, look at this one. Oh, lovely, like spearmint green. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm so lucky. I feel so lucky. So there's those 2. Last one. Last but not least. Ooh. Feels like my birthday. That is actually coming. Oh my goodness, no way. Look at that one. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at all these colours over the rainbow. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to spin these up. And that's the thing, when you're looking at them, you can never quite tell how's it going to turn out. I might pair it with a solid colour and then, yeah, and then it just looks totally amazing. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Sayra. I am so happy with what you've sent me. They're absolutely stunning. Spinning is fast becoming my favourite hobby because I am literally obsessed with yarn. And now that I get to make it as well, I'm just literally living my best life over here. Look at these beauties. Love them. Yay! Oh, where's my remote gone? I've lost it. It's under the paper. Yep, it's under the paper. So there we have it. I am extremely happy. Very excited to get these spun up and have a play with them whenever the mood takes me. So yeah, that's about it from today. So see you later, everybody. Have a good day.